In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select just the numbers from the cell. Now, there's a handy little feature in Excel where it's the flash fill. So you have 2,100 pounds and 3,500 kilograms here. And so if you went 2,100, saying you just want the out of there, and then you click on that and you're on the data tab and you go to this the flash fill thing here and you click on that. Now it works great for 3,500 kilograms, but if the letters aren't the same in every one, it's not going to work. So what I've done is I've written a couple of little functions that will do this for you. So let's go equals, and my function's name is just numbers. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the cell and I'm going to press enter. And so we get the 2,100. So the thing is with this, if you double click on the fill handle, you're going to get exactly just the numbers out of all of these. Now, as you saw when it came up, I also have the opposite. I have just letters coming out. So you go equals just letters, and you select the cell, and you just get the units out, and then you double click, and there you get just the letters out of all of the cells. So let me show you the code. So these two little functions are basically, I was just trying to write the first one, and I figured I might as well just do a few things and change it for the second one. So this is a function, and it's going to return a value that's long. The number that we're making is called jnum, just number, and character is long, length is long. Now, with the cell range, and that's the cell that you've selected, the first thing you're doing is checking to see if the first character from the left is numeric. If it is numeric, then the jnum equals the left, whatever the first character from the left is. Now, for the rest of them, so we're starting from the second, so n being the second character, n being 2 to the length of the cell, or of the string in the cell. And you'd say if it's numeric, then jnum equals jnum plus whatever character you have in there. And then at the end you just display the number. Okay, so the opposite is for just letters. So instead of long, I've made it a string, and I've declared this as a string as well. And it's basically the same thing, except for I put a not in front of IsNumeric. Now, everybody says, oh, this is wonderful, except for, you're only going to use this probably once on every cell. So let me show you what I do. So let's close this file down. And we're going to close this as well. So I have a brand new file open with letters and numbers together in the cells. So what I'd like to do is I like to go equals and just, and nothing comes up because I haven't got the code in here. So I have saved it in Notepad++, and it's called just numbers and letters. So I'm just going to copy this. And then I'm going to go to my developer. I'm going to Visual Basic. I'm inserting a module. And then I'm going to go paste it. Okay, so now let's go back to our sheet. And let's go equals just numbers, and there it is for you. So if you can keep these separate and use them whenever you need them, very, very handy. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video please subscribe.